Can you imagine a future where your kitchen understands your dietary needs and prepares your meals accordingly? Welcome to the dawn of the kitchen automation era, where artificial intelligence is set to transform the way we cook and eat. This isn't about robotic arms flipping pancakes, but something far more profound. We're talking about a smart kitchen that caters to your unique dietary preferences and health goals. How, you ask? Take a moment and envision a culinary space that adjusts recipes on the fly, maintaining the same delicious taste but with a healthier twist. A kitchen that precisely measures ingredients for perfect, consistent results every time, eliminating guesswork and waste. But it's not just about convenience and precision, it's about your health too. Imagine a kitchen that understands your nutritional needs, optimizing every meal to keep you in peak health. Imagine a world where your kitchen does more than just store and heat your food, but becomes an integral part of your health and wellness journey. Have you ever heard of a smart oven that can recognize the food you're cooking? Welcome to the world of AI-powered ovens, like the June oven. This isn't your average kitchen appliance. Using artificial intelligence, these ovens can identify the food that's placed inside them. Not just that, they also know how to cook it to perfection. Imagine this. You're putting a chicken into the oven. The oven identifies the chicken, sets the temperature and cooking time, and voila! You have a perfectly roasted chicken, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. No more guessing games, no more undercooked or overcooked meals. These smart ovens are a game changer, bringing precision and convenience to your kitchen. They take the guesswork out of cooking, leaving you with more time to enjoy your meals and less time worrying about whether your roast is cooked just right. Gone are the days of undercooked or overcooked meals thanks to the AI-powered smart ovens. What if your kitchen could actually understand your nutritional needs? Picture this, a kitchen that not only cooks for you, but also knows what you need to eat. Enter systems like Innit, which are pioneering the way for personalized nutrition. These systems leverage artificial intelligence to provide personalized meal recommendations. They take into account your dietary needs and preferences, whether you're a vegetarian, have a gluten intolerance, or are just trying to eat healthily. The AI analyzes your data, studying your dietary patterns and nutritional needs, and then suggests meals tailored to you. It's about more than just convenience. This could revolutionize health and wellness. Imagine being able to manage chronic conditions through diet, or to optimize your performance in sports by eating exactly what your body needs. With AI, your kitchen can become your personal nutritionist, catering to your unique dietary needs. And that's just a taste of what's to come. Ever thought your fridge could do more than just keep your food cold? Well, welcome to the era of smart fridges. Picture this, a fridge that uses artificial intelligence to monitor what's stocked in it. Not only that, but it can also suggest recipes based on those ingredients. Imagine being unsure of what to cook for dinner, and your fridge comes to the rescue with a recipe that uses what you already have. Take Samsung's Family Hub as an example. It doesn't just keep your groceries cool, it becomes an integral part of managing your kitchen. You're running low on milk? No problem. The Family Hub can order groceries when supplies are dwindling. It's a game changer, especially for those of us who aren't big fans of grocery shopping. And the most exciting part? This technology helps reduce waste by making sure you use up what you have before it goes bad. Smart fridges are making it easier than ever to manage your food and reduce waste. So, are these AI kitchens a distant dream? Not at all. We're already living in a time where AI is transforming our kitchens, making them more efficient, personalized, and smart. You see, these aren't just concepts for a sci-fi movie. Today, we have smart ovens that cook your food to perfection, fridges that keep track of your groceries, and AI systems that tailor your nutrition to your specific needs. And this is only the beginning. As we move forward, these technologies will continue to evolve. Imagine a kitchen that not only knows your dietary requirements, but also your taste preferences, your schedule, even your mood. A kitchen that can suggest recipes, order groceries, and cook meals, all without you lifting a finger. The potential is immense, and we are just scratching the surface. The kitchen of tomorrow is not a distant dream. It's already here, being fine-tuned and perfected every day. The future of the kitchen is here, and it's intelligent, efficient, and personalized to your needs.